Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and here we've been transferred to the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can add it from our own photos, so obviously we can enter our own gallery, or we can choose something from the system wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. We've got plenty of options to choose from, really beautiful ones, a little bit abstract. So let me choose maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper if you'd like to show it on the full screen. And now unfortunately, as you can see, we cannot change the position of it. We can simply zoom it in or out, and that's all. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole wallpaper. So we will be able to change the position of it if we will zoom it in a little bit. Alright, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.